Hi everybody. So I almost didn't make this video because I lost motivation here. So it looked like everything was working against me making this video today, but then something motivated me. So here I am. I know everyone will be asking, look at the YouTube channel, you've not been posting, you've not been consistent. Let's all be sincere. It's not easy running a YouTube channel here. It's not. Nobody is. It's not just been easy doing that. And for the consistency, it's still not been easy. Because when I was opening this channel, I was like, every day I'm going to post everything I do, every day, my walk to work. What did I just say? My walk to work. Anyways, I said I was going to post my everyday life, everything I do, yeah, YouTube and all that. I was excited. I was really excited to open the channel. But then, after opening the channel, it looked like there was nothing to post. I know it's supposed to be your everyday lifestyle thing, but it just looked like there was actually nothing to post. So I was like, So I tried to keep up, but it wasn't working. So I'm going to start a series, 10 ways to live a happy and more fulfilled life. Yeah, 10 ways to live a happy and more fulfilled life. And I'm going to be starting with 3, and the subsequent series will discuss the other remaining 7 ways. So stay tuned for more amazing content, I think.